far-infrared heat pipes to generate heat. New energy harnesses use heat radiation to generate heat. Top, bottom, left and right side are installed with heating tubes, can be heated at the same time. Suitable for heat shrinkable tubes for electronic harnesses and new energy harnesses, circuit boards, inductor coils, copper rods, hardware fittings and other products. The heat shrink baking size range is small, but the product size is long, or heat shrink and bake products that can only be heat shrunk and baked at 1 inch. Conveyor belt using high-temperature Teflon mesh belt, fast and efficient baking. Fitted with a high-speed centrifugal fan. When heating, the fan can stir the heat evenly, so that the entire box to maintain a constant temperature, so that the products to be heat shrunk and baked can be subjected to heat all around at the same time. No deformation after heat shrinkage and baking. No discoloration, stable quality.